Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're on day 4 of working on the Avalanche, bringing it back to its glory. Again, there wasn't a ton. It just needed to be cleaned up. Some people just don't keep it as clean as I would like it, and so I try and put it back to new. So I'll link those videos down below on the detailing process and how much dog hair we got out here. That's a fun video to just fast forward through and check out how much was under the seat and every other nook and cranny, the stains and everything. Before we get too far into this, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button for me, it helps a small channel out. I know we're only on day 4, but I have a full-time job, so I wish Automotive Inc. was my only thing. It's my second equal thing, but I don't have all the time in the world to shoot these. But so we're going to get going on this. So what have I found so far? Well, we got the driver's seat leather replaced with a kit. We did get all of the dog hair out. I had a chirping fan. I'll have a video on that. So he thought the fan was going out when I got it. It made noises at low speeds and at high speeds. And Chevy wanted $400 to replace that for him. Have a cool video on that, on how that turned out. That was nothing after all. Got a lot of the cleaning done. The good thing about this truck is how nice it was kept is if you go out on the market and you're looking at a used Avalanche, you really got to be careful to make sure that what makes the Avalanche special, all of that stuff works, because otherwise it's kind of just a Tahoe. And if any of this back parts like the midgate, the window, the rain gutters on the bed, or the covers themselves have issues, you're probably not going to be able to find a new part. You're going to be relegated to what's in the junkyard, what's on eBay or whoever else, and that's tough, and it sucks. So we'll have a later video on what makes this truck great, but found out nothing was really going on there. We had a taillight that was bum. Didn't replace it, but we found out what the repair was. He thought the bulbs were out, and Chevy told him it was going to be several $100s to go in and diagnose it and figure that out. Didn't want to do that, and I had a few little dings in it on the exterior. I'm gonna have a cool video on how we pulled those out. It's a super cheap kit, and it just takes some time. You really can't. Well, I guess you could screw it up. I can't say that, but it's very hard, very easy, and it's a cool kit to have around because you can pull dents on your refrigerator, cars, whatever, because inevitably somebody's going to whap into your car at the store, or maybe you do, or maybe your kiddo kicks it open and does that. So the truck itself turned out pretty good so far. Again, once it's all done, we'll bring it back. Those wrinkles in the new leather will come out. It comes folded up, so it is what it is. We have a few things left, like the door handles in these trucks. They get kind of owie. This ABS stuff starts peeling, and literally I cut my finger the other day just opening the door. So we're going to replace those. So if you have a 2007 to 2013 Chevy GMC truck, it's going to be almost identical to this procedure minus what makes the Avalanche the Avalanche. We went ahead and got the steering wheel pieces. I have a video on how to remove the steering wheel and basically the airbag and everything. We took those down and actually polished them. So those are sparkly and clean. You can get silver ones, but they're like $80. So what I did cost me nothing. We got the headliner cleaned up, got all the stains out of that. So it's been a lot of work. It's been a lot of fun. I do enjoy turning wrenches on cars. I've been working on cars since I was 12. My first truck was a 63 Chevy Rust Bucket with a Mountain Dew sign bent to cover the hole in the floor. And my dad taught me a lot of stuff. My dad did work with me on that, and we got it all restored, and I had that truck up until I was 20-something, so pretty cool there. I'm going to have a ton of videos on this, so if you guys want to check out what I've done, it may cross over to your guys' truck or car, and I'm really excited to bring out what it looks like all done, all said and done. We're going to do some LED light swaps, interior LED light swaps, detailing, all of that stuff's going to come out probably here soon, because again, the truck itself, the underpinnings, the thing runs phenomenal for almost a $250,000 miles on it. Drives true, starts every time, no engine noises, so been pretty fun doing that. So I'm gonna get back to work. Make sure you check out the next coming episode and all of the how-tos that are gonna be sprinkled in up to this point of how we did all that, because really, as expensive as cars are anymore and how much stuff just doesn't last, this truck, a truck of this era, as long as it tows what you need or does what you need for your family, even if you don't tow, why not go get a $9,000 car and drive it till the wheels roll off? And then, or if it just needs a new engine, short blocks $2 grand, as long as you can do it yourself, easy breezy, instead of having $1,500 payment, 7% interest, and an 84-month loan. I think it's a compelling argument, and so it's definitely something to think about. As always, guys, appreciate you guys checking on this episode. Check out all the other great videos, and don't forget to head to the channel and check out everything else, man. Just go to the search bar and type in whatever your heart desires. More than likely I have a video on it. And if you need something made, try and comment in this specific video about this specific vehicle. But you can always comment something else saying, hey, I want to see something on this, or how do you do this? And we'll definitely try and take care of you. Appreciate you guys being here. We're going to catch you on the next one.